looks like an American doll. Let's just rip this all up. Look at her. She's beautiful. Let's remove her from her tank. Her container. Guys, she has some blonde hair, and she has a nice bag. And look at her red shoes; they're so nice. I'm gonna remove this rubber band. Let's remove her from her stand. Oh, I forgot. We have to also remove this. Can you please remove it for me, Delisha? Just directly cut it. So she has some blonde hair and a black back, and she has a gold chain. Her earrings are very cute, and her bow. Wow! Oh, her eyelashes are so big. I can't even see her eyes that much. Oh, she has a nice outfit. Look at her nice outfit. She has a nice skirt, a nice leather jacket, and some striped shirt, and some white pants, and some red shoes. They're so cute together. Her red purse. There's nothing in here. It's sewn together. It's like perfect for like decorations or playing with someone. So she's so cute.